And just a reminder, it is a severe night, so we're going to check back in with meteorologist Robert Suhr.
Robert, just how much rain are we expecting tonight?
Well, there's some, in some isolated spots, somebody could see 2, maybe 3 inches or so. I think most of us, it's 1 inch to 1.5 inches. That's what the averages are showing us, which we'll get into throughout the forecast here. First, we'll take another look at that radar and show you where the rain is right now. We're kind of in a lull. This was expected. This kind of break in the action between systems. We have 2 separate systems moving through. The one that really dumped a lot of rainfall this morning across northwest Arkansas. The second will come in the next couple of hours, bringing with it more chances for rain and storms. River Valley, about the same thing, couple showers and sprinkles in Logan County. A weakening severe thunderstorm here just to the west of LaFleur County. This could slide through Worcester and Heavener. It should lose its severe characteristics, but we'll keep an eye on it. But nobody in the area is under a watch right now, whether it's a flood watch, you can see all of those are back to the south and the west, or a severe thunderstorm watch. Again, back to the west where the better atmospheric dynamics are to see widespread severe weather. It's quiet right now in Springdale. You can see all the mud at Arvest Ballpark from all the rains this morning, but roads are dry. We're in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Temperatures really went nowhere today because of all the rain, all the cloud cover. Much different story in the River Valley. We're actually seeing a little bit of break in the cloud cover still, though, in Poto. Haven't seen much in the way of rainfall, which is why temperatures are 10 to 15 degrees warmer. I mean, it's 80 in Hackett, 76 in Poto, as well as in Fort Smith, flirting with 80 in Boonville, as well as in Paris. Big picture shows that front still back across the west, and you can see all the rainfall developing along that area of low pressure. All of this will make its way toward our area probably after sunset is what we're thinking right now. As you can see with the hour by hour, it's still relatively quiet right now, but notice the coverage of the rainfall expanding as it makes its way toward our area. By 9 o'clock, steady to moderate, maybe some pockets of heavier rainfall with some embedded thunderstorms mixed in there. We still believe, though, the worst of the rainfall is expected to fall the further south, and especially the further south and west you get. Tonight, we're going to have 2 systems interacting, a thunderstorm complex and the front. So 2 different elements wringing as much moisture as they can out of the atmosphere. But by tomorrow morning, as this boundary makes its way closer to the area, it's going to start to push most of the rainfall out of the area. We'll be left after the morning rush with leftover showers and sprinkles. And then the secondary cold front, the main one, blasts its way through, and that's when fall takes over for the most part. Still worried about a little bit of excessive rainfall tonight. That's why we've got the slight risk. That's rainfall that exceeds flash flood guidance, because we're still expecting, on top of what fell this morning, an additional 1 to maybe 2 inches or so. Lows tonight into the 60s, and then temperatures tomorrow go almost nowhere with all of that rainfall. We could rebound if we get enough sunshine in the afternoon, which is a possibility. We could see quick clearing, but then temperatures free fall after that. Upper 30s for morning lows. Saturday, maybe Sunday, we could be looking at a little bit of patchy frost. We'll keep our eye on that. Wind chills could be in the 20s, guys. River Valley, about the same thing. Lots of sunshine. It cools down after tomorrow's rain wraps up.